Hello and welcome to our channel, Dividend Code. We bring you the latest news and updates on dividend stocks. So in today's video, we will be discussing the latest news and updates on dividend stocks. So stay tuned. Hi and welcome to Dividendcode. In today's video, we are going to cover these latest companies which have announced dividends, their record dates, their ex dates, and lots of things that will help you understanding these companies and their financials.